You're here in front of Christensen Hall, one of the main residence halls just for first-year students. 96% of first-year students live on campus, which contributes to UNH's vibrant community feel. There are dozens of residence halls at UNH, each with its own layout, location, and personality. What freshmen like about living at first-year dorms like Christensen is that everyone is new, like you. But there are many ways to call UNH home and make your space your own. From small, close-knit environments to themed communities, that brings UNH Wildcats together around shared interests. You'll have a safe, comfortable space steps from everything, and be surrounded by friendly people who are truly here for you, like the live-in director in every hall, to the resident assistants on every floor. As you embark together on this exciting adventure of making UNH your home. This is where you'll start a new chapter and live side by side with people who will become lifelong friends. It's not just a dorm, it's a beginning. Welcome home.